Left fielder. My baseball cap's too droopy. I cannot see it all. So I just hold my glove up in case they hit the ball. They keep me out in left field. They never let me swing. They think that I'm not able. I just can't see a thing. The game has gotten quiet since top of the last inning. There may not be a crowd here, or maybe we're not winning. But coach has always told me, go out and have some fun. Well, I've had fun for hours now. I'm ready to be done. My arm is getting tired, and it's begun to rain. I'm getting pretty hungry, but don't mean to complain, for when this game is over, I'll see my name displayed. Left fielder in the longest baseball game ever played.